everybody. Okay, so I got a question from someone regarding the handle on the round bag. If you watch the video part 2, it shows you how to attach the handle. It didn't necessarily show you how to make the handle. So one of the first things you want to do is decide how long you want your handle to be. So this one looks like when I made it, and yes, you can see I still have this purse from a few years ago, and it's still in pretty good condition. That's why I like making my own bags, because I like to make them washable, and they're really durable too. Okay, so if I check inside here, and I probably went a little further, I'm gonna say this handle is about, yep, I called it. It's about 22 to 24 inches long. So what you would need to do is you can get some rope like this that's pretty thick. This one I got from the hardware store, and this one came from the arts and crafts store. And these are about, it's about 2.5 inches wide. Just get the thickest one that you can. So once you have your rope and you cut this to 24 inches, then you want to make, take the fabric that you're going to make the handle from. And this one is about 2.5 inches wide, which, let me wrap this around. Yep, okay, that would work for your handle. So if you've got a 2.5 inch wide piece of fabric by 24 inches long, what you're gonna do is you're gonna stitch it on both sides, like what I did with this one, and and turn it inside out. So then you take your piece of rope or tubing, and you're just gonna thread that all the way through. Now obviously this is a short piece, but if you have a longer piece, then once you get that in there, then you're just gonna fold it, and not fold it, but bend it, and then you go ahead and attach it to your purse. The attaching it as the purse handle, that's shown to you in the video how I did that part. But what I neglected after all these years, for those who are new to sewing, is how to do this exactly. So once again, you can get these pieces of cording. I believe they're called cording. This one I got from Home Depot, which is kind of like, maybe like a piece of rope for camping or boating or something like that. And this, I believe, I got from the arts and crafts store. And you can usually get it, have them cut it to the length that you want, just like fabric. So once you get the thickness of the rope cording that you want, you'll need 2 pieces of fabric, and just lay them right sides together. And you're just gonna make a long tube the length of the handle. And once you just put it inside, if you can see here, like you can probably tell all the tubing, the cording is in here, and I left a little bit loose here so that I could stitch through and get attach it to the bag. So that is all there is to it. If you have more questions, just email me, send a shout out, let me know, and I'll be happy to explain as best that I can. So happy bag and purse making. Bye.